Hello guys, Merry Christmas to everybody. Today I'm gonna start a tutorial about how to use the map editor in Eurotrack Simulator, and in this one I'm gonna show you how to start and how to end your work in map editor, because I'm gonna show you what you need to do to start to map editor and what you need to do to save your work from your map editor. First thing you have to do is to enable the console, and for that you need to go to your documents, my documents, Eurotrack Simulator, and find this config CFG file. Open it. At the bottom you need to find two lines. UZG developer by default is 0, you make it 1, and UZG console by default is 0, you make it 1. Save the file and you are good to go. Close it. Another thing you have to do is to create a folder where your work is going to be saved. For that you have to go to your root folder where your Eurotrack is installed. Mine it's in Steam apps, common, Eurotrack Simulator 2, and this is the root folder. This is the game. Here you need to create this folder, name it base, and inside of it you need to create this folder, name it map, and that's it. When you're gonna save your map, the game will create, like in my case, these files. I'm going to show you at the end what you can do with those files. Make sure this folder properties is not read-only. You have the permission to write in it, and the better way is to start the game like administrator. If you are using Windows 10 good luck with that. Okay, you edited the config file, you created those two folders. Now we are gonna see the mode folder. You need to have an empty mode folder in your documents, Eurotrack Simulator. Your mode folder must be empty. Do not use other modes, other packages like I have here. I have basically a mod folder for anything, but every mod folder when you start must be empty. We did these three things. Now it's time to start the editor. We are going to start the game. In this screen we are going to press the tilde key, the one under the ESC button, and this is the console. We are going to write here edit Europe. Welcome to the map editor. We are going to close the console using the same key, and this is the base map. This is the map of vanilla game. When you practically you can edit anything, but let's not edit nothing in this territory. Let's say you want to start to make your own map in your own territory without editing the vanilla map. We have here, these are sectors. All the maps are divided in these squares, and let's say you want to build, I don't know, here you want to do this city. As you see, the game already have a background map to help you with city position, road connection, and so on. There is no sectors active here, but we are going to place a road to see how the sector is created. New item, not prefab. We're going to choose road, new item, and we are going to make a road. And as you see, the sector was created. Press ESC, and we are now gonna see our road, if I can find it. No, I did it too long. Road item length exceeded 1000 meters. Yes, and became invisible. No problem. I'm gonna do the other one, and here's our road. Let's add some terrain to it. And this is our map. We have our work in sector 16 minus 008. Be very careful about these pluses and these minuses, because there are sectors with same numbers but with different signs. In this way you can mess up an entire map. So we have our map in sector 16 minus 8. We're gonna save this. Let me clear my Europe folder first. Okay, we're going to save the map. as you see, the map was saved, but this is all Europe. We don't need all Europe. We need the sector 16 plus 16 minus 08. I'm going to close the editor. And I'm going to find that sector we worked on it. And that's it. Every sector has 4 files. Be very careful to select them all. I'm gonna copy this sector in mod folder. In mod folder, I'm gonna create a new folder named map. In this, I'm gonna create a new folder named Europe. I'm gonna go back to the base folder where my save is, and I'm gonna copy this Europe MDB. And those 4 sectors are going right here. Cut, paste. Create a zip archive. Rename it SCS. And now you have your own mode with your own map, the first steps. After you do this, every time you edit the map, you are gonna remember the sectors you are working on, and you are going to do in the same way. You are going to take the sectors from Europe, the one you edited, let's say this, and insert it here with the first sector you edited. And the more you edit, the more you build, the more sectors you will have here. Remember to save your work and to transfer your save into mod folder, because if you don't, you're gonna have your older work and you are gonna lose your last one. Let's open the game again. Console, edit Europe. And as you see, our road is here. Your map is saved. You can build on top of this, adding more sectors, more territory, more roads. But we are going to talk about how to do this in the next episodes. Bye bye.